The Renier tankless water heater error code 52 indicates abnormal modulating solenoid valve signals, typically caused by a faulty modulating valve or associated wiring. To fix this issue, it is necessary to service the modulating valve setup, examining the valve's flame rod and wiring for loose, continuous, or broken connections. The gas solenoid wiring harness should also be checked for loose or damaged terminals, with any faulty components repaired or replaced as needed. Measuring the ohmic resistance and voltage across the valve's terminals is crucial. If the resistance and voltage deviate from 8 to 22 ohms and 11 to 13 volts, respectively, the valve and venturi assembly may need to be replaced. If the code persists after replacement, resetting the appliance using the 2 reset buttons on the PC board can help clear the code. For certain heater models, the service focus is on the POV valve and its connections to the PC board, requiring attention to these specific components to resolve the issue.